Hi, magandang araw po sa lahat, lalo na sa mga momshies. Now, I am going to prepare the no-bake Yema cake. So, andito ang mga sangkap para sa pag-bake ng ating napakasarap na Yema cake. 1 pack of Hotcake mix, 250 grams. 1 cup of evaporated milk. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Okay, i-mix natin hanggang maging mas mapino ang texture. So let's add the 3 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then mix again. Ngayon, ilalagay ko na ang cake mixture sa isang rice cooker na may steam basket. Then I will wait for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Hayaan lang natin mag-steam ang ating cake mixture. So now we are going to prepare the Yema spread. So we need 2 eggs, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. So i-mix lang ulit natin till it gets smoother. So ngayon, naka-ready na ang Yema spread mixture and ilalagay ko na to sa kawali. Then, we have to stir it continuously under a low heat. So, haluin lang ito ng haluin hanggang maging sticky ang Yema spread mixture. So, remove na natin siya from fire. And pwede na nating i-topping sa ating cake. We can use a wooden ladle para ma-spread out natin ang Yema spread. Pwede din natin gamitin ang chopsticks para ma-distribute natin evenly sa lahat ng sides and around the cake. So, ayan na. It looks yummy now. Katakam. Okay, let's have the first slice and let's see how it looks like inside. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be notified on the upcoming videos.